How to fix Black Ops 6 stuck at fetching account data from the platform error for your Call of Duty. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. To resolve this issue, there are two fixes that you can try on. Step 1 would be to restart the game. For this, fully close and reopen the game. The simple step sometimes resolves the issue across the platforms such as PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. Now, for the step 2 would be to go offline and retry the connection. In order to do so, whenever you are stuck at fetching account data screen, press the circle or equivalent to exit the offline mode. Once that is done, select the option to go offline. Then after try reconnecting online by following the prompts. It could be pressing the touchpad or X button on PlayStation. If prompted with an error, keep pressing retry for about 5 minutes. Once that is done, this process should allow you to reconnect and play the game. While it may seem to be a tedious or unnecessary issue, the workaround effectively resolves the problem. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.